Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. So today we are welding up the floorboards in the Jeep. As you can see, we got the carpet out and the seats out. So we're going to cut all the rust spots out, and I'm going to find some metal to place in there. So we got a piece of metal. I actually used a piece out of the old bedside on the Duramax. I wasn't going to use it for anything, so I figured it'd be good to cut it up and use it for the pieces of the floorboard. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and tack it on there a couple of places, and then I'll be able to bend it out. So I got this piece here welded in, and I also found another rust spot. I ahead and welded the plate in right here too on the front. So right here is the next spot. I'm just going to cut that rust out and weld the plate. So I got all the panels I needed welded up. I just got done cleaning the vacuum and the floor. There is a couple small rust holes in the back still, but where the gas tank's here, I didn't really want to weld anything on there. So I'm either going to screw in a piece of metal, or I'm going to fix the rust, and I'll just use some full tape or something to put over that, because I mean, in the back here it don't really matter. You see a couple spots here, I actually screwed those pieces in so I didn't have to weld around the gas tank, and I already painted the area behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this floor, and then some of the small holes that are around here, I'll just tape them up in full tape. Guys, just keep in mind, this ain't a daily driver or anything like that, just an off-road Jeep. So I mean, we ain't really properly fixing it. If this is a daily driver or something, I'd remove the gas tank and I'd cut all this floor out and I'd put all new sections in. So I don't really see any reason to go all out on that, especially where it's just an off-road Jeep. Alright guys, so I'm going to roll the paint on, and I'm going to use a little bit of Pour 15 on a lot of the rust areas, and I got a top coat to put on. So let's get started. I got the paint, so let's start painting. I got a lot of the floorboard painted with some red paint I found, but I painted all the areas I could get. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry, then I'll be able to put the carpet back in. Pretty warm out today, so I figured it'd be a good day to clean the interior. So I've got the carpets and the seats and stuff pulled out, and I'm going to take them out back and pressure wash them, clean them up with some carpet cleaner. And since it's pretty warm, they should dry it pretty good. you can see the difference the pressure washer's making. That's cleaning the seat up real good. Now I'm using some carpet cleaner and a brush, and I sprayed the seat already in the carpet cleaner. I'm using this brush just to kind of clean it up. Alright, so now all the carpet and seats are clean. I got them out here on my trailer. It's pretty warm today, so I figured let them sit out about all day. Should dry it pretty good. Supposed to be warm next few days, so I'm gonna let them sit out here and dry. I think they turned out pretty good. Pressure washer does a good job cleaning.